Hey there, future crypto investors! Are you looking to dive into the world of cryptocurrency but have no idea where to start? You're in the right place. I'm here to guide you through the basics of crypto investing in just a few simple steps. So let's get started. Step 1. Before you invest a single dollar, it's crucial to understand what cryptocurrency is. Think of it as digital money that's secured by cryptography. Popular ones include Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. Read articles, watch videos, and join forums to get a feel for the market. Step 2. An exchange is where you'll buy, sell, and store your crypto. Some of the most popular ones are Koinbase, Binance, and Kraken. Look for user-friendly interfaces and strong security measures. Step 3. There are two types of wallets, hot wallets and cold wallets. Hot wallets are online and more convenient for everyday transactions. Cold wallets are offline and more secure for long-term storage. Decide which one suits your needs best. Step 4. It's tempting to go all in, but it's smarter to start with a small amount. This way, you can get comfortable with the process without risking too much. Remember, the crypto market is highly volatile. Step 5. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across multiple cryptocurrencies to minimize risk. This way, if one coin tanks, you won't lose everything. Step 6. Crypto markets can change rapidly. Keep an eye on news, follow influencers, and join online communities to stay in the loop. Knowledge is power in the world of crypto investing. And finally, cryptocurrency is not a get-rich-quick scheme. Prices fluctuate, sometimes wildly. Stay calm, think long-term, and don't let emotions drive your decisions. So there you have it. 7 simple steps to kickstart your crypto investing journey. Remember, knowledge and caution are your best friends in this space. Happy investing, and may your crypto journey be prosperous. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips and guides. Thanks for watching.